Dear learners, how are you? I think you are well with the grace of Almighty Allah. You know, in the meantime, I have taken many class for you in online, and today we will discuss after this sentence in narration. And you also know that I have taken some classes from narration, and today's class is number 6. So now we can start our class. After this sentence, how can change after this sentence direct narration into indirect narration? At first, I have to write some rules for this sentence. Okay, dear learners, please follow me to understand the sentences. Number 1. At first, we have to write the subject of refuting speech. That means at first we have to write the subject of refuting speech. Then we can write if the verb is say or said, it will be wish or wished, fray or frayed, blaze or blessed. That means if the refuting verb is say, that times it will be wish, fray or blaze. And if the refuting verb is said, that time it will be wished, frayed or blessed. Okay, my dear learners. Number 3, the object of refuting speech. The object of refuting speech will not set. Okay. Number 4. Instead of comma and inverted comma, instead of comma and inverted comma, we'll set that. Number 5. At first of refuted speech, will set subject. Number 6. Then we'll set might. Okay, and then other rules. That means, and other rules will be continued or all established or stay in according to the sentences. So, dear learners, now I am going to do some example to understand it very clearly. Absolutely follow me. Now I am writing some example here on the board. Examples. Number 1. He said to me, मैं अल्लाह help you. Look at me or look at the board. He said to me, may Allah help you. If the refuted speech stay Allah or God or Jab, that time instead of said to, we have to write freight. We have to write freight. That means if we want to change the direct narration into indirect narration, at first we have to write the subject. That means he. Now, instead of said to, we have to write freight, because here in refuted speech established or have Allah. Okay. Instead of Allah, if the sentence have God or Jab, that time you have to write freight. Okay. Now I can write he freight that. Me will not established here or me will not set here, because in this sentence I write before some few times. In this sentence the object of refuting speech will not established in indirect sentence, okay, or indirect narration. So now I can write the instead of comma and inverted comma that, okay, he freight that. So at the first time we have to write the subject. That means here the subject is Allah. So he freight that Allah might help. This is the main verb, help. You. Who is you? You means me. You means me. Here you is object and me also object. So I can write here me. That means he said to me, may Allah help you. You means me. That means me also object. So here it is you also object. So I have to write here me. Now I can say, dear learners, you are actually you are so much eager to my class and also understand my sentence. So now I can say again, this is he prayed that Allah might help me. Okay. Number 2. Hassan said, long life our king. Dear learners, look at the board. Here, long life. If the refuted speech is started with long life, instead of this long life in indirect narration, you have to write life long, and our king is subject. Okay. Now we can write Hassan wished that our king might live long. Dear viewers or my dear learners, I think you are most clear about the sentence and about the narration how can we change optative sentence direct narration into indirect narration. Here I also describe or portrays the sentence very clearly. How can you change it? Okay, I think you understand very clearly. Now, okay, now I going to another sentences. This is number 3. The beggar said, could I be a king? Here the beggar wished to become a king. That means beggar said, could I be a king? Okay. So if the repetitions start with could, that time in indirect sentence or indirect narration, instead of might we can use could. Okay. Now I write, the beggar wished that I is the subject, so beggar is the third person, so here subject will be he. The beggar wished that he could be a king. My dear learners, I think you are clear about the sentence. So how can we use it here, could? If the referred species start with could, that time instead of might we can use here could. Okay, we have to use here could. Okay, if the referred species start with had, that time we have to use in indirect narration could have. I think you are clear about the sentence and about the rules. So I am going to another example for this reason. Number 4. Rohim said to me, had I been a bird. Had I been a bird. Here Rohim said to me, that means Rohim wished he wanted to be a bird. So I think here you can know, the had, instead of had we have to write could have. Okay. Now we can write instead of it, Rohim wished that he could have been a bird. Rohim wished that he could have been a bird. Here we can write could have, because the repeated species start with had. I told before that if the repeated species start with had, that time we can write could have. Instead of had we can write could have. Okay. And here you saw, please look at the blackboard. Instead of repeating species subject, I write here subject, and said to I write wished, and here we do not write object. That means in optative sentence, when we change a direct narration into indirect narration, the object of the optative sentence will not be set in indirect narration. I also written it in before at first time of my class. I write it in the blackboard, and I think now you are understand how can change the optative sentence. direct narration into indirect narration. Dear learners, so I think this is enough for the affirmative sentence for you. Affirmative sentence, and I think it is clear to you that how can a sense the direct narration into indirect narration of affirmative sentence, and it is very much clear to you. So that's for today. Thank you very much. I will stay pure, stay safe in home. I hope it will be possible for you. Thank you for joining with me. Thank you, everybody.